Jamaica has no snakes that are deadly to humans. It was the first Caribbean island to gain independence, 1962. Jamaica has over 120 rivers, yet none are very long. The island has the fastest sprinters in human history. It's not just Usain Bolt. Ackee, the national fruit, is poisonous if eaten unripe. Jamaica was one of the first places in the world to run a railway system. The Blue Mountains are home to some of the rarest and most expensive coffee on earth. Port Royal once sank into the sea after a massive earthquake in 1692. Jamaica has its own language, patois, not just an accent. Christopher Columbus called the island Jamiaca, meaning land of wood and water.